Thumb ligament tears are common sports-related injuries. These tears need to be repaired to restore the normal function of the thumb. The UCL ligament is the main ligament at the base of your thumb. It supports the thumb for pinching or grasping activities, such as holding an object or opening a jar. In this animation, we will show the repair of the ulnar collateral ligament or thumb UCL with internal brace ligament augmentation using anchors and sutures. First, your surgeon makes a skin incision on the inside of the knuckle or MCP joint. The surgeon identifies the ligament tear and creates bone sockets on both sides of the joint to repair the ligament. Next, high-strength sutures such as the fiber wire suture and suture tape are loaded onto the anchor. Next, the surgeon inserts the first anchor with the fiber wire suture and suture tape into the bone. Then, your surgeon repairs the torn ligament with the suture onto the original insertion point. These sutures are then cut. Next, the suture tape is brought across the joint and inserted into the remaining socket to help support the repaired ligament. The excess tape is cut, completing the thumb UCL repair with internal brace ligament augmentation.